Greater in the plantain. That's the way you do the green plantain. That's the way I do it, you know. Greater some. And I have like my cinnamon. Look at it, the cinnamon and the vanilla boiling up. So you know, getting ready for the porridge. So see I'm doing it. And I grate my coconut juice already. You can see it. That's my coconut cream. I put it in the porridge. So real porridge. I do it from scratch. So, come and see now. That you can see from scratch, right? That's the way I do it. I grate my plantain, green plantain. See them? Big green plantain then. Big one. Big green plantain. You can see it. That's what I do it now. You know? So, that's the way I do it. Licking. Yes. This is the way you do it, you know? Yes. This is the way you do it. And I'm gonna just flag it out now. Yeah? That's it, just go on the fire now. Begin to cook it now. Yes. Real porridge when you get it. This is the real porridge. See it? See it? See the way I do it? I'm gonna pour it in now, right now. See it? Yes. See it? Green plantain porridge. When you drink this porridge, you're drinking the real porridge. You know? That's the way. And see, I have stew peas. Stew peas. That's stew peas. Stew peas and white rice. Stew peas and white rice. Yes. That is it for today. Okay? That's it for today. That's it for today. So, I'm boiling up my porridge. As you can see, green plantain porridge. And that's the way you do it. You know? Today is the porridge day. Green plantain porridge. Anti-clear green plantain porridge for today. God bless. Yeah.